Updating your personal information on PhonePe is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon or your account name, usually located at the top of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Look for the option labeled Personal Information or Edit Profile. Click on it to view the details you can update, such as your name, phone number, email address, and address. Step 4. Update your information. Choose the specific information you want to change. Enter the new details in the provided fields. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your personal information on PhonePe will be updated. Regularly check your details to ensure they remain accurate.